We're now going to operate with our automatic system. We're using the Shamus to do the cleaning, and we're going to control this system electronically. This is our unit, and we are going to be going from the unit, utilizing our 5-gallon container. Here we are going across the floors, 30 feet away. See, while I'm up here, let me show the Shamus, which is sitting there on the floor, okay? And that's taking, there you are. That's taking the full charge that's coming out of the larger unit, recouping, recharging, and making it as though the larger unit was right up there on top of the forklift right with you. That's the Shamus recharger. And you're working with a 96-inch one.
Yes. That
comes off. Right, so you've got an additional 96. So we got 38 foot of steam vapor coming through the whole unit. Thank you. And we have the operator controlling everything with the electronic controls. That's it right in his hand. Start the unit, shut the unit anytime he wants. So that ultimately, and you can see right on the floor, they could be giving a water to waste disposal coming down from up above. No waste water stream anywhere. And we go back this way, take a look at it, and here's your waste disposal right here. So rub your hand now against the surface. All right, is it dry?
Yes.
Dry at once. Let me get the proper distance from you. Go right ahead, show me. There's the area you've been at. Let me close in on it. Clean and dry at once. And that's the way the whole door is going to be done.